Hey guys, welcome to episode 17. In this episode, I talk about the Powerbeats Pro and what features there are, how you guys can go and get it, and if you guys already have it, let me know what you guys think. Tweet me at csnakedoc13 and on Instagram at csnakedoc13. Hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome to episode 17 of the Daily Social Podcast, and today we're going to be talking about the Powerbeats Pro, the newest wireless earphones from Beats by Dr. Dre, and it's gonna revolutionize the way that you guys listen to music, listen to your podcast. And if this is your first time here, guys, make sure you click that subscribe button. But let's just get back to the episode, guys. And Beats by Dr. Dre has been very popular past couple of years, and they've released a whole bunch of different products. But these new products by Dr. Dre, the Powerbeats Pro, are the newest and latest released released product, I meant to say, from Beats. And they're wireless, they're waterproof, they have an ergonomic design, in-ear detection. That way you guys know when you take out your headphones, when you put them back in, it would sense when you put your headphones in, when you take them out, and the way you guys listen to podcasts and also your music, whether you're working out, taking the kids to school, or just on a jog. But they're gonna be released. There's navy and right now it's in black, but navy and moss are the two newest colors that are going to be coming. The two newest colors that are going to be coming to the Powerbeats Pro, and it's ergonomic design, like we said before. It's ergonomic, and it's wireless. That way you guys can take it on the go. It got a numerous battery life, so it can stand up to your music, your podcast, whether you're creating podcasts or if you're doing a workout in the gym. It will get you where you need to go. So, but if this is your first time here, guys, make sure you guys click that subscribe button if you guys are new to the podcast. And if you guys want to know more, be sure to click on that subscribe button or hit us up on Instagram at csnakedoc13, and we will let you know more about the Powerbeats Pro and how much it costs, what tech specifications the Powerbeats Pro has, and much more. So once again, if you guys like the podcast, be sure to subscribe wherever you guys get your podcast, whether it be on SoundCloud, Google Podcasts, Breaker, Spotify, TuneIn, Spreaker, wherever you guys get your podcast. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for me, and my team and I will be getting more content to you on Instagram about the Powerbeats Pro. We will leave a link in the description, and yeah, that will do it for this episode. And if you guys want to know more about like I said previously, if you guys want to know more about the Powerbeats Pro, you guys can hit me up on IG at csnakedoc13 or on Twitter at csnakedoc13, and we will get all that information pushed out to you guys. But yeah, guys, we really do appreciate you guys listening and tuning in. But make sure you guys share the podcast. Email it to your fan base. Email it to your customers. And if you guys want to share it with a friend, you guys can do it through Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Make sure to share the podcast, guys, or share the episode, whichever you guys prefer to do. And yeah, we just want to thank everybody that has subscribed to the podcast. Really do appreciate it. And hopefully you guys do have a great day. If you're listening to it now, if you're on the train, on the bus, in the air, wherever you guys are, hopefully you guys are having a great day, great night, great evening. If you guys are on the West Coast, hopefully you guys are having a great morning, or wherever you guys are in the world. But once again, my name is Chad Phillips, and we here at the Daily Social Podcast want to thank you guys for once again subscribing. And if you guys are feeling impressed, be sure to leave a voice message or a DM on Twitter or Instagram. You guys can DM me at csnakedoc13 on Twitter or on Instagram. I would see you guys in the next episode. So I would see you guys later, and take care. Hey guys, thank you for listening to episode 17 of the Daily Social Podcast. Feel free to subscribe on Google Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you guys get your podcasts. And we once again thank you for listening to the Daily Social Podcast. Have a great day, guys.